Guys, in today's video, we are doing the planets tier list. Alright, so we're starting off with Mercury. Mercury is not that great. Look at its terrain. It doesn't look great as well. I would keep it at C. Venus without the atmosphere, of course. Venus is kind of cool, but it's also going in C. Oh yes, Mars. Earth. Let's write Earth. Earth is the best, just so we can live on it. Because we live on it. And there's like no other planet in the world, like in the universe, that has life and we have it. Mars is great. It's going in A tier. We will also colonize Mars. It's like this big compared to Earth. See that circle? Yeah, that's how big Mars is compared to Earth. It's pretty small. Yeah, but we can colonize it. It's pretty easy. Jupiter, which is also going in A tier. Saturn. I don't know, but I don't like Saturn. I will keep it in B. Uranus is going in D tier. It has a very unfortunate name. And basically, it's just an ice giant. You see nothing on it. It doesn't have terrain. It's an ice giant. So I think it goes there. And Neptune goes up into C. Pluto. Pluto needs to go a little bit higher up. I don't think it deserves to be a dwarf planet. Yeah, the International Space Agency actually pointed out Pluto to be a dwarf planet in 2006. And basically, let me draw this. Let me draw a star right here, and your orbit should not have any rocks in it, like anything inside of it. So all the planets did not have something in their orbit, while Pluto did. Pluto had other dwarf planets, and also it had asteroids in its orbit, like rocks. So basically, this is Pluto, and yeah, it was not considered a planet at all. That was sad. It had two. Basically, out of the 3 ways you can become a planet, Pluto had 2 of them, but it lost the 3rd one, which is kind of sad. Don't know why. And also, it has the coolest terrain I ever seen. There's like a heart shape on it. Don't know how it's there, but still, it has a heart shape on it. So I think Pluto needs to go a little bit up. No, I don't think so. So yeah, it should go in S tier. So in S tier we have Earth and Pluto. We have in A tier we have Mars and Jupiter. Wait. Yeah, we have Pluto in A tier. Mars, Jupiter, and Pluto. B tier, Saturn, Neptune, Venus, and Mercury in C tier, and Uranus in D tier. It's a disappointment. Let me type in. Disappointment. Disappointment. As you can see, it's disappointment now. And Uranus is a big lump of disappointment, I guess. So anyways, this is my tier list. I will be saving the image so you can download it later. So bye guys.